Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we'll be looking at how to basically build a background removal tool inside PHP, and for this we have actually deployed this application so that you can try this application on my website freemediatools.com/canva background removal tool. So it is similar to Canva as well, which actually allows you to remove the background. So here you will select any image of your choice. Let me select this image. If I open this, you will actually see there are three persons out there. This. So we will try to remove that background that you're seeing right here from this image. So what I will see, I will simply select this JPG image. So this is actually the live preview that you can see. So as you click this button, remove background, you can see it will do the processing, and after processing this image it will actually download. You can see the background has been successfully removed. You can open this, you can just see everything is removed here, and you can simply click the download button to actually download the image. Here you will see that everything is removed here. So we are actually using in background we are using this API, which is Remove.BG. It's a really popular API which allows you to actually do this. So they also have their, this is actually the Remove.BG API that we are using right here. So this is under maintenance, but we are using this API. So you can take any image, for example, and remove the background. So now to get started, basically we actually have this code right here. You can actually find the full source code in the description and copy the full source code. So now to get started, we are actually using a third-party module, which is this one, mtown remove.bg. It's a remove.bg API wrapper. If you just type this on Google and type GitHub, it's an open source package which allows you to programmatically remove backgrounds from your images using the remove.bg API. So the installation is really simple. You need to install it using Composer by copying this command. So just copy it right in the command line. Simply paste the command. So this will actually just require it, and it will install this package. So inside your composers or JSON, it will install this latest version. Now to get started, we will actually show you from scratch. Let me delete all the files here. You will get your own API key from the dashboard. So I already created one API key. So this is not a free API, it's a paid API. In the free plan, you get 50 credits. So 50 credits, after 50 credits, you need to upgrade to their paid plan. But 50 credits is more than enough to actually show you the example. So you will actually have a simple form. You will simply say image removal background app. And for this, we will actually be using Bootstrap. Just after the title, paste it. We will have the container class in the center position. We will have a heading, image background removal, and then we will have a simple form. It will submit to upload.php. Method will be post encoding type multi-part form data. So inside this, we will have a simple input field where we will allow the user to simply select the image file. So we'll say select image file. So after this, we will have this input field, input type file, and giving a name parameter of file, and only be accepting images. So image slash star, it should be required, giving a class to it of form control. We will have a button right here to submit the form. So button type submit. So class will giving a btn danger btn block. These are all bootstrap classes, and simply say remove background. This is actually the thing, and We can now simply go to our path. You can simply open localhost markdown. Sorry, this is the directory structure. You will see like this. If you want to change the button color, let's suppose button primary, this will make it blue. If I refresh, just make sure that you start the exam control panel. So just start this server, Apache server. So this is useful whenever you developing PHP application. You should have this software installed on your system. It's a cross-platform software available for Windows, Linux, Mac. So it comes with the Apache PHP server. And now you can simply run your PHP applications right here. So by default, it is located in the C directory. Whenever you install it, C directory, and inside the exam directory, you will have this folder htdocs. And here we have created our project directory. So this is our HTML form, and now we need to create this upload.php script. So first of all, for doing this, we need to have a public/uploads directory. So just create a public/uploads directory where we'll be storing the input image files which the user will select. So right here, we will write this PHP code. So right here, we don't need the ending tag. We just need to require this vendor autoload PHP file because we need to load the plugin. And then we need to simply use this class empty out send, and it has this remove.bg class, and inside this we also have need to use this bracket. We have this class here remove.bg again, and then we need to simply tell the target directory. So we have this public/uploads directory where the image will be stored. We're giving a unique ID to it for the file name. So you'll be using the built-in function of PHP unique ID. Then we will simply be making the full path. So this will be inside target directory concatenated by the dot symbol, followed by the file name unique ID dot the extension. For having this extension, we will use the base name function of PHP, and right here we'll be using the files array to get the name of the file. So like this. So here you will given the name parameter right here. If you see file, this needs to be the same right here. If you see, we have given the same name attribute. This needs to be the same to get the file name, to get the name of the file. So now we need to simply upload the file first of all for processing it. For uploading the file, we'll simply use this function move uploaded file, and this is a built-in function for uploading files in PHP. So here the first argument it will take is the actual temporary path of the file, which we can get using temporary underscore name. And then the second parameter is the target path. So where you need to upload this, so we will simply target file. This is actually the full path that we constructed in the previous step. So it will actually upload this from the temporary part to the target path. So if this is successful, it will return true. And in this case, we can simply say a message to the user that your file has been uploaded. Using the echo statement, you will see file has been uploaded. In the else block, if the file upload process is not complete, then we'll say sorry, there was error uploading your file. Now the most important thing, to actually remove the background using the Remove.BG API. So for doing this, we need to instantiate a new class of it, new Remove.BG, and here you need to simply pass your own API key, which you will get from the dashboard of Remove.BG. So I already created one API key. So what I will do, I will simply paste it. So after pasting it, we can simply inside this we have a function. We will write all the code in try catch block. So we will basically make a output file variable, and we need to tell where the output file will be there. So again, we'll be using this. We will be creating in the same directory, but the file name will be changed. This time this will be no background.jpg. just make it PNG because it's a transparent image. And then we'll say Remove.BG, this object that we created. It contains actually a method right here, which is file. So we can actually access methods using objects in PHP using this symbol, arrow symbol, and we are using this file method. So here we need to provide the file path, target file. We need to remove this background, and then we again need to chain it. There is a save method to actually save the output file inside this path, output file. That's all. You can see we are using these two methods. First of all, we are providing this input image, and then we are saving it, the output image in this. So we are simply using these two methods simultaneously, chaining it. And after you do this, we now need to download the file in the browser. For doing this in PHP, we do need to add some headers whenever you some download file. In PHP, you do need to specify headers related to that file. In this case, it's a image file. We need to add all these headers. So what I will do, I will simply copy this. All the source code will be present. You will simply telling the browser with the description of this file, which is content description, content type, content disposition, expire, cache control, pragma, content length. So everything related to the file. So exactly browser know what sort of file that we are downloading. So that's all. This is all the application, guys, which is needed right here. And now we can test this application by going to the browser. Simply select the image file that we need to select. Click on remove background. So now you can see that our file has been created. And if I try to open this file, so you can see that the background has been successfully removed. You can see that. So now we are doing it programmatically by using the Remove.BG API. So thank you very much, guys. You can test out my tool which is deployed. You can basically use this tool as well to test it out, play with it. So you can just see the tool. I have also given the link of the tool in the description of the video by going to freemediatools.com, Canva background removal. This is a tool. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Thank you very much.